One of the most important aspects about hiking is making sure that you're properly fueling yourself. This means knowing how many calories you're burning so you know how many calories to pack. I do this by using something called a hiking calorie calculator. You enter in some personal details as well as your pack weight, hike distance, and hike duration. After a few years of hiking, I realized that my average pace is around 2.5 miles an hour. Then based off the elevation gain, I put the average grade percentage as well as I picked the terrain type and altitude. And this gives me a rough estimate of how much food I should be packing. For a hike like this, I usually like to pack 3,000 to 3,500 calories. Instead of using calories in a toxic way, I use them in a positive way to learn how to properly fuel my body.